Hello everyone, my name's Damien from All Skills Evaporative and Gas. Today we're going to talk about evaporative cooling when winter comes along. People don't realise it, you can actually lose 60 to 70% of your heat out of your ducting, and it actually siphons out at a huge rate. So the best way to stop that, spend 20 bucks at Bunnings and we'll show you how to do it, and you can block your vents off. So first of all, you've got to measure the vent side by side and take that measurement. Then you go down to your piece of core flute, which you can just buy from Bunnings. It's actually called core flute. It's about $6 for a metre squared sheet. You just measure the core flute to the size of your vent and you cut it with a Stanley knife. Then once you've got that piece, I use paper clips. You straighten them out and leave the hook on it. We just squeeze that under the vent and in between the roof. So when you put your core flute up there, it'll actually hold it in place. So effectively you're eliminating the heat loss, because people don't realise how big ducting is. And even though you've got a bag on your cooler or whatever measures you take to stop the draft, you lose a massive amount of heat through the ducting, because sometimes it gets to 550 mil in diameter. So the ducting is this big, and the heat from the room is going into that ducting and dissipating. So you lose a ton of heat. So just block it off and save yourself some money with heating. It's also important to remember that when you've blocked all your vents off from your evaporative cooler, you want to isolate it in the meter, because you don't want someone accidentally turning it on and you'll blow all your coverings off everywhere. We hope you've enjoyed this energy saving tip. If you want to learn more about energy saving and evaporative coolers, head to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos. Thank you.